Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say that I'm very grateful for your support with this channel. I will continue to do my best to put in the work to keep you entertained. Thanks for 359 subscribers. I do appreciate your support, and I hope this community that is growing will continue. I see your business navy. So last week was full of vibes. I can say, if you didn't laugh last week or remember a few things that would have you sure will understand why people are pissed with this. Who remembers Ramon Silveira, the self-proclaimed professional clown, who took a stick to passengers in a taxi and got arrested? Well, your high-energy station, Zip FM, pissed a lot of Jamaicans off by awarding his badman behavior with a rod, or what appeared to be a stick, after the whole incident. This also got the attention of Miss Kitty, who was more than outraged. Here's what she had to say.
And it's so sad that we now live in an era where people are willing to do every and anything for clout. We live in an era where people are willing to do any and everything to go viral. And it seems to me that we have a lot of professional clowns in Jamaica right now. Because when I looked at Twitter last evening into this morning, and I said to myself, me not know if Jamaica real or what. I feel like me not the metaverse. Me don't know, because it come like every day we just sing to a new low, we go lower and lower, and it's almost as if we're in a competition to see who can go lower. Like, I go lower. Okay, you got this up, me go lower. Because I cannot understand why the individual at the center of, a disgraceful, disreputable, it's just unfathomable act is being promoted on social media and by media houses that should know better. We all fall short and we all make mistakes and nobody is perfect. But there are some things, Calico, that are glaring, and Stevie Wonder can't see it. Ray Charles can't see it. You don't need nobody to tell you or guide you. And as I always say, me prefer for one person to listen to my show, and I can enrich their lives and edify them, than stoop to the line where past the ocean.
Bougie and angry, but I have to agree with her. Why was this well-known radio station awarding bad behavior? I guess anything goes in Jamaica, and only Jamaica. Moving forward, this young lady as seen on screen is another example of being careful of the company you keep. This beautiful young lady, Shanquilla Robinson, went on a trip with 6 of her friends and didn't return home to the United States where she resides. On October 28th, she arrived in Mexico with friends where they booked a villa, and within 24 hours ended up losing her 3 points. According to Shanquilla's parents Bernard and Salamander Robinson, they received a phone call from Calil, Shanquilla's best friend, at the time, who said that Shanquilla was not feeling well, then ended the call to call and tell her mom that she later died of alcohol poisoning. Her mom had to pay $6,000 to ship her body back to the States so she could get her a proper burial. Bear in mind, these friends had left after the incident and came back to the United States with only her belongings. Calil, the best friend, had stayed with her mother and left when he heard news of her autopsy. If this guy is her best friend, I don't want to see who's her enemy. This is one of the videos she left behind on her Instagram page while at the villa.
It's my friends for me, because, y'all, it don't take that long to get naked. It don't take that long to get naked, hoes. Where y'all at? She told me I'm gonna keep it hot. You gonna keep it hot? What?
I'm gonna keep my hot business suits that I don't want to wear because it's cute as fuck.
They, what the old said, they croup.
Yeah. the one that's like mediocre is in my check-ins. I can't wear them.
Seems like they were plotting something in the other room. So Shanquilla's case has become seriously high profile, because now, the feds are investigating and the Mexicans consider her death a femicide. In case you don't know what that even means, it's the murder of women as a result of intimate partner violence, the torture and misogynist slaying of women, killing of women and girls in the name of honor, murder of female through gang initiation. In Mexico, the punishment for femicide goes up to 20 years in prison. I would love to see when the feds lock up all of her friends, because they will not be spending time in a prison in the United States, but in a Mexican prison. Shanquilla was laid to rest on Saturday. This is so sad. Be careful of the people you call friends. If you like this video, subscribe for more news and entertainment news. Sharing is caring, and remember to like. Until my next episode, stay safe.